So guys, today's my job is to change the fender lines or under fender flares, or so let's jack the car up in the same safety points right here. Let's put the camera back and let's do the job. Just like so. And let's lower it. And let's do same for the other side. Let's find the safety. Make sure the car's not close. And let's get the lug nuts and wheels off. Okay. So it's gonna be a 22mm. And for more safety, usually I put one wheel under the car. Let's take the other side off. Okay, so we need to change this part because the issue is that this part of the fender flare or under fender, it's supposed to be to connect to the bumper, is on the bottom, so it's like going like that way. And right now it's like just holding on a couple of screws and that's it. And I think we have a missing something right here also. So I need to take a look at that also. So when you take a few bolts, there is supposed to be, oh wow, so just hang there, but there is a clip. Come on guys, this is a joke. This not even from here, and that's it. So basically it's not really holding on anything. Missing some here. Okay, let's take it apart and install it the way that it needs to be. But let's go and see the other side. Okay, so they put something here. Here. It's supposed to be. Yeah, this side it's better, but still missing the bottom piece that covers the windshield washer fluid reservoir, and we need to figure out what's going on around here. Okay, so let's work with the right side. So we have the mismatched bolts, screw type. So this is what it's supposed to be here. So if something touch it, then it will not puncture it. So we need a 7mm for this. I know where this bolt came from. This bolt usually goes to right here because there is a space there. Okay, on this side, oops. So I'm using a, what is it, T15. So we're missing 1 and 2. So I'm the one who painted the bumper, but at that time they had no clips, so I couldn't install it properly. So let's hope that this time that they will have a clips. Okay, so no clip. Here's one. Usually those clips are going under the engine bay, like somewhere in. This is the worst clips to take off. And this is also the very ugly clip too. So it was holding on 1, 2, 3 bolts and 1 clip. But we have a clip here. Wow, this is just wow. So brakes are kind of worn, so I need to change brakes. So we need a few more clips. How's everything else looks good, and we need a few clips for the bottom piece. So this is the old one and this is the new one. So as you can see, on the old one it's 1, 2, 3, 4 clips, and they forgot to drill number 5. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is on the new one. And there is a window here. It's to change the bulbs and all the stuff, and doesn't have it here. So I guess that they finally figure out that the headlights is not, the bulbs is not blowing as much as possible. So the less moving parts on it will make the life easier. So changing it just because of this part here. So install it. Pretty easy and simple. That might looks like it. Okay, just like so. A few more clips right here. One more goes right here, and one more goes on top. Okay, so now we need to put our bolts. One, two, three, and four. So just like so, and one more piece is missing, that it didn't come up yet. So the last piece is right under the bumper that connects it all. Special order. Okay, we're good to go with the under fender flare liner. I don't even know how it goes, but let's go and install the other side. Still in the plastic. Okay, so working on the passenger side. Let's get 5 clips. 4 or 5. So I know notice that the back side need to go first. Let's put a clip, another clip, and a few clips on top right here, right on top of it, and one more right here. So holds up good. So let's install this side. So looks like it was some kind of accident is on this side. Okay, now I see it. So this piece of fender need to go just a little bit down. Just like so. Now it's good. Need to be perfect. Okay. And a few more bolts on this side. Here's one, two, and one more. Need to go here. It's gonna be for our future, like when we'll find the under bumper plastic. Okay, so everything looks good.